Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive from your phone. This works for documents, PDFs, photos, videos, or any type of file you have in your phone storage. First, open the Google Drive app. Now look at the bottom right corner. You will see a plus button. Tap on it. From the options, tap Upload. This upload button is what lets you bring files from your phone into Google Drive so they can be backed up online. Your phone file explorer will now open. Here you can choose where the file is located. You can go into Images, Videos, Downloads, Documents, or any folder where your file is saved. Tap on the file you want to upload. If you want to upload more than one file, you can tap and hold on one file, then select multiple items. Once you make your selection, you will see the upload progress at the bottom of the screen. It will show a percentage or a small circle loading icon. After the upload finishes, the file will appear inside My Drive or inside the specific folder where you were when you started. If you want to organize your file, tap the three dots next to it. From there you can rename it, move it to another folder, or even share it with someone. Google Drive is great because once you upload your files, they're safe in the cloud, not just inside your phone. Even if you change phones, you can still access them just by signing into your Google account. And that's it. That's how to upload files into Google Drive using your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what simple tech tutorial you want next.